Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm James and today I'm going to be doing the main flight of the Balsa USA Stingray 120. I have the 20cc DLE engine up here in the front and I'm going to plan to do a little bit of taxiing and then we'll take it off. We have a pretty good day today, I think, out here at the airfield, and we'll see how it goes. And I know two things. One of them is the plane will go up in the air, and the other thing is the plane will be back on the ground. So hopefully everything in between that will work out okay. All right, let's see how it goes. I'm going to bring it in closer. Flying pretty good. Very little trim. Being a new engine, I hope I don't get a dead stick. Landing. Fantastic. Okay, well there you have it. The maiden flight was a success. I had my engine stall out when I landed, but that's okay. I'm not worried about that. The engine is new and it's having trouble idling, but everything turned out okay. It took off really smooth. It tracked really nicely on the ground, nice and straight. I didn't have to do too much of a correction with the rudder. Once it was up, I had to trim kind of what I expected. I had to trim a little bit of right aileron into it because it was twisting to the left due to the engine torque and all that. And I also had to trim in a little up elevator. It was slightly nose heavy, but again, I'm not worried about that. That was fine. I'd rather have it be nose heavy than tail heavy. So there we go, successful flight, and I'll put it out a few more times. I'll fly it around a few more times today. I'll do a couple more test runs with it, maybe some flybys and such. We'll see how she flies. Have to work on my engine.